In this video, you are going to learn how to change the languages in Google Chrome browser. Okay, so click on this customize and control Google Chrome option and go to settings. Click on languages here. So if you want to add any languages, you can click here add language button. Okay, so let's type Telugu here. Okay, so click on this and click on add option. Okay, you can see here the options are here: English and Hindi and English United States and Telugu. Okay, so for example I will click on this option more actions button, and I will make it as display Google Chrome in this language. Okay, click on relaunch option here. Now you can see all the words whatever as there here, it has changed to Telugu language. And also if you want to make it Hindi also, you can make it here. Click on this more options and click on this option and click on this relaunch option again. You can see now it has got changed to Hindi language. So now I will make it to default as English now. So click on more actions and click on this option and again click on relaunch option here. Now you can see it has got changed to English language. Thank you for watching the video. Please see description for more videos and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.